Take a look at this C5 here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1997 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe. Removable top, as you can see. Of course, LS1 power underneath the hood. 5.7 liter V8. That's paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission. Of course, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Take a look at the front nose on this. Not full of nicks, dings, scratches. Paint shows well on this torch red, ebony or black interior. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, storage area in the back. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. 5-spoke chrome wheels. Continental Extreme contact radials on there. I believe the date code on those was 2019, so not too old. In the still pictures, you're going to be able to see the tread depth of it. So radial tires looking good. Let's take a look down this passenger side, which you can see is free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. I mean, it's a 1997. It's got a little over 58,000 miles on it. It's been driven. Is it going to be perfect? Probably not, but very, very, very nice condition. These C4, C5, and even C6 Vettes now, really, the bang for the buck that you get. It's a lot of performance in a reliable car without breaking the bank. When you consider what these were new back in the day, and even the new Vettes now. Also, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And this does have the smoked glass top. It is not the solid red, but the smoked top on it. It'll also come with the owner's manual, a car cover. And once again, all those still pics, UniqueClassicCars.com, does have a MagnaFlow catback exhaust system, so nice sounding car. Also, we're going to start it up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood. We'll check out those headlights. And of course, Jason will take it for a drive at the very end of the video, so stick around. If you like Corvettes, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done either online or right off our showroom floor. And again, nice condition as far as the paint on this one. Nice shine to it. Let's take a little closer look at this interior. All right, door panels. Of course, your mounted amenities. Memory seating, power mirrors, power locks, power windows, Bose stereo system, power seat over here on the driver's side. Of course, tilt column, cruise control, driver's information center, AM, FM, CD player, electronic climate control, and that is dual passenger. Technician did note the tire monitor, as you've seen that service. So tire monitor system would need a little attention, or like typical, do it the old way. Make sure your tire pressure is up and watch your tires. All right, so no other check engine light, service engine soon like that, just the note on the service monitoring system. There's your exact miles, 58,541. AM, FM, CD, and that electronic dual climate control, top of the dash, looking good. Tack working. That was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect temp gauge to be up. As you can hear, nice sounding cup. I'm gonna pop that hood out those headlights. headlights working properly. I'm going to open that hood. But first, let you take a listen. Nice deep throaty exhaust note, no doubt about that. We'll dress up in that engine bay. Tastefully done. Battery 11 at 24, so not even a year old in the battery. '97 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirms actual miles. A little over 58,000 is all. A lot of bang for the buck here, folks. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1997 Chevrolet Corvette in red. A red Corvette. A classic that anybody would want. This car was a removable see-through Targa top. Sounding really good. This is an automatic right here on the center console. All our gauges appear to be working as they should. The temperature about 180. The oil pressure about 60 psi. Now the fuel gauge is reading completely full. That usually means that it's working, and it is completely full. The battery gauge is showing 14 volts. Stereo sounds great.
Every person matters.
Even if it's just a commercial. Good sound out of that stereo. Near perfect comfort, really. You can set this power seat where you want it. Leather bucket seat. I'm 6'1" and this car fits me very well. Nice road feel. No strange noises or vibrations. Brakes are feeling well, as they should. Corner's amazing, as you would expect for a Corvette. Corner's nice and flat. And if you touch the throttle a little bit harder, she shifts down. The shift down working as it should on that automatic transmission. An automatic Corvette doesn't get any easier than that. Get in, turn the key, and push the throttle, and you're driving a performance American classic. Take a look at all the pictures of this 97 Corvette at uniqueclassiccars.com.